Hi, and welcome to MyStudyBuddy.com. Today we're talking about adding numbers. Let's start with a simple addition sentence. The addition sentence is made up of three parts. In this example, 4 is an add-in, 3 is an add-in, and 7 is the sum. An addition sentence can be written horizontally, which means straight across, and it can also be written vertically, which means up and down. This is an example of a single-digit addition sentence. For this tutorial, we will write all of our addition sentences vertically. 3 plus 5 equals 8. Make sure that you write your numbers in a straight column. Notice how the 3 and the 5 and the 8 are written in the ones column. Let's look at another problem. 4 plus 7 equals 11. Our sum is a two-digit number. Our first one, we have 1 in our ones column and 1 in our tens column. Let's try adding a two-digit number plus a one-digit number. 5 plus 4 equals 9. Write your 9. Since there is nothing in the tens column of our second add-in, 1 plus 0 equals 1. Our answer is 19. This time let's try adding two two-digit numbers. 15 plus 24. 5 plus 4 equals 9. 1 plus 2 equals 3. Our answer is 39. Let's try another. 15 plus 25. 5 plus 5 equals 10. Write your 0, carry your 1. We carry our 1 to our tens place, and now we add. 1 plus 1 equals 2. 2 plus 2 equals 4. Our answer is 40. Let's try adding three-digit numbers. 368 plus 547. 8 plus 7 is 15. Write your 5, carry your 1 to your tens place. 1 plus 6 equals 7. 7 plus 4 equals 11. Write your 1, carry your 1 to your hundredths place. 1 plus 3 equals 4. 4 plus 5 equals 9. Our answer is 915. This time, let's try adding four-digit numbers. 7,894 plus 4,698. 4 plus 8 equals 12. Write your 2, carry your 1. 1 plus 9 equals 10. 10 plus 9 equals 19. Write your 9, carry your 1. 1 plus 8 equals 9. 9 plus 6 equals 15. Write your 5, carry your 1. 1 plus 7 equals 8. 8 plus 4 equals 12. Our answer is 12,592. Let's try one more. 9,459 plus 8,865. 9 plus 5 equals 14. Write your 4, carry your 1. 1 plus 5 equals 6. 6 plus 6 equals 12. Write your 2, carry your 1. 1 plus 4 equals 5. 5 plus 8 equals 13. Write your 3, carry your 1. 1 plus 9 equals 10. 10 plus 8 equals 18. Our answer is 18,324. Be sure to subscribe for more videos and click on the link below to sign up for more in-depth math tutorials. Thanks for watching.